Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Now today we're going to show you how to program a radio unit, okay, CD unit for a Chevy Equinox or any Chevy vehicle. It works amazing. Until now we used it, and we'll try on this model, but it works great on Chevy models. We'll show it works on pickups, cars, SUVs, anything. We use MaxiSys, okay, smart diagnostics right here. Let me turn the light off so you can see better. And now what do we need to do? This one is pretty simple to use. Once you install the new unit, you need to enter the VIN number. So we're going to go to diagnostics now. We're going to go to VIN number, auto detect, and it will detect it on its own, and it will tell you what kind of vehicle it is and all that kind of stuff, and you have to confirm. That works 99% of the time. Sometimes you have to manually select your vehicle, which takes about a minute longer, but it's still not too bad. And it will show you now, it will read the VIN number. Okay, right there, that's the VIN number of the vehicle, so we need to click OK to confirm, and it will give you the information now. 2005 Chevy light duty truck, MPV, okay, 3.4 engine Equinox. We say yes, that's the right vehicle, and then we need to go to diagnosis right here. We need to go to control unit, and then we need to go to radio. After radio we need to go to special functions, VIN reward. Okay, that's the one we need. So it's connecting with the module now. Do you want to delete the DVD theft information? Okay, establishing communication. Please cycle ignition, radio theft information was erased. Okay, so we'll just turn the ignition on and off. And we're waiting now. Alright guys, after that you can click escape and you're ready to go. Radio, okay, radio works fine. As you can see, it doesn't say lock, it's perfectly fine. Okay, you can you see the buttons, everything works. Another radio station now, so okay, right there. So that's the whole procedure, guys. Pretty simple. I told you it doesn't take much. It takes a few minutes, and that's how simple it is on any Chevy vehicle without MaxiSys. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.